Welcome student, this is your history class 6, chapter 2. Today we will discuss question answer. Question 1. Complete the sentences. A. Hunter-gatherers choose to live in caves and rock shelters because answer. They wanted to protect themselves from wild animals and bad weather. B. Grassland developed around X years ago. B. 12,000. C. Early people painted on the decks of the cave. Answer. Walls. In D. In Hong seed tools were made of decks. D. Answer. D. Limestone. Question number 2. Look at the present-day political map of the subcontinent on page 136 of the text box. Find out the state where Bhimbetka, Humsi and Kurmal are located. Would Tushar train have passed near any of these states? Answer. Bhimbetka, Madhya Pradesh. Humsi, Karnataka. Kunal, Andhra Pradesh. Tushar train would have passed near Bhimbetka, Humsi and Kunal since they all lie on the possible train route from Delhi to Chennai. Question number 3. Why did the hunters-gatherers travel from place to place? In what ways are these similar to different from the reason for which we travel today? Answer. Hunter-gatherers travel from place to place for 4 basic reasons, which are as follows. If they stay at one place for a long time, they would have eaten up all the available plant and animals resource. Therefore, they went to another place for more food. Animals move from place to place. Humans follow them as they hunted them. Plants and trees bear fruit in different seasons. So when season change, people move to another place. In search of water, people travel from place to place. Water is necessary for survival. However, nowadays we travel for different purposes like education, we travel to school, work, we travel to work, business, people travel from place to place for business purpose, entertainment, we travel from one place to another to amuse and entertain ourselves like going to circus, a zoo or sightseeing. Question number 4. What tools would you use today for cutting fruit? What would they be made of? Today for cutting fruit we would use modern tools like knives which are made of iron or steel. Question number 5. List 3 ways in which hunter-gatherer use fire. Would you use fire for any of these purposes today? Answer. Hunter-gatherer use fire for purpose like a source of light, a source of cooked meat, a way to scare away wild animals. Nowadays we use fire for cooking to keep ourselves warm. Question number 6. Make 2 columns in your notebook. In the left column, list the food hunter-gatherers ate. In the right hand column, list some of the food you ate. Do you notice any similarities and difference? Column 1. Answer. Column 1. Food eaten by early man. Fruits, roots, nuts, seeds, leaves, stalks, eggs, meat. Column number 2. Food eaten by modern man. Processed food like bread, pizza, ice cream, etc. along with unprocessed food like fruit. Difference between the two eating habits today, we largely eat processed and cooked food, whereas the early people did not cook their food. They ate everything raw. Question number 7. If you had a natural pebbles like the one shown on page 13 in the textbook, what would you use it for? Answer. Today we would like to use such pebble for chopping fruit and roots. Question number 8. List 2 tasks that are performed by both men and women at present. List another 2 that are performed only by women and 2 that are performed only by men. Compare your list with that of 2 of your classmates. Do you notice any similarities and difference in your list? Answer. 2 tasks that are performed by both men and women, teaching and office job. 2 tasks that are performed by only men, mining, working in a shipyard. 2 tasks that are performed by only women, nursing, cooking. After home and heart, compare your list yourself. This is the end of this video. We will continue this chapter. If you have any doubt, please let us know. We will try to clear your doubts in another video. अगर आपको कोई संदेह है तो कृपया करके हमें बताइए। हम अगले वीडियो में आपके संदेह को दूर करने का प्रयास करेंगे।